All right, we're done. All right, today I'm gonna try and get as much done as possible, just like we did yesterday. Yesterday we left off with not being able to get the twins off because there was literally one nut under there on the manifold that was seized. And I didn't have a torque bar, even though now I do. And I just wanted to let it set overnight to make sure everything could come off. So today, the twins are definitely gonna be able to come off, but my main priority is to get the fuel rail on. So this is a top-fed fuel rail. These are side-fed. This 1JZ, I think that all non-VVTIs come with side-fed. I could be wrong. But today I gotta basically take, it's all this back here. It's kind of really dirty and nasty. But I gotta take all that off. I gotta take this off. Thankfully, I shouldn't have to take the intake manifold off. The problem with the side-fed is they don't flow well enough to have a big injector. And so I've got big injectors going into this. I can't remember where in the hell I put them in the garage. Ah, here we go. So Deechworks injectors, pretty much the same setup I got running on my Evo is with these injectors. I think these are 1100 cc. And then tonight, what's something that I am really excited about is the Rockwall, Texas used to have a really big car meet. And it was huge at one point in time, but it kind of got shut down and they had to move a bunch of places. Now it's back to its original location at this place called the Harbor. So I'm trying to get as much of this done as possible so that I can go to that meet tonight. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I did mention it. I'm gonna try and make it a weekly thing for me to show up because I want to hang out with you guys and I want you guys to be able to see my cars. And as soon as this thing runs, I'll start bringing this thing out to meets as well. This thing is 1157 times better in person than it is on camera. Okay, now you should be able to pull it out. Well, not really, because it's attached to a fuel line, and that's where I'm trying to figure out. Too, right? Well, no, that's the FPR.
That was wild, babe.
I know.
There's fuel everywhere. I like the butt shake.
When your radio is out, you gotta do it. So I'm taking the banjo bolt off of the fuel, high pressure fuel thing, and I'm hoping I don't get sprayed. Oh, we're good. There you go, that's a banjo bolt, babe.
Yeah.
There's a little hole in it, and then another little hole. Yeah, it's 93. Now that all this is off, we should be able to go ahead and take the whole fuel rail off. We should be able to get this freaking thing out now. There we go.
Dripping fuel.
Well, I know. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that drip down and clean everything. Yeah. Nice. Look at these little guys. Little adapters. It's pretty cool. You just gotta press it down. Nice little click. Nice.
Because yours is the 1JZ GTE for the Toyota.
Yeah.
VVTI. Or non-VVTI.
Non-VVTI. Yeah, I didn't get any of that. I didn't get any of that. Except for the rail itself. The fuel rail is the least of my concerns because... What? Oh, I forgot about the package. I did get them. Oh yeah, I did forget I had a... Yeah. Well, no, that's just dumb. I'm dumb. Forget that. Because these injectors are going to be so big, the car is not going to start no matter what. So the fuel rail is like, get it on today or not, doesn't really matter because this car is not going to start until it gets tuned. So my main focus, my main priority is to get the passenger side of the engine bay, or the driver's side of the engine bay, if you not catch what I mean. My main priority is to get the twins out today. So I am pretty stoked that I got the fuel rail out. I actually really want to clean in here before we get any further because this is just nasty. I mean, it's disgusting. Okay, so the fuel rail is not going to end up going in today. I will need an adapter. Radium makes a little adapter to go from the stock AN fitting right here to whatever size thread this is. So this is my stock fuel pressure regulator. I'm gonna use that. And then I'm also going to need a couple little plugs. AN has I don't know why, but they're completely open right there. That allows you to basically run, it allows you to run like a fuel pressure gauge. It also allows you to do like a pulse damper if you want to dampen it or whatever, but it allows you to run extra stuff on your reel. And I'm not gonna be doing any of that, so I'm just gonna get some plugs. They do offer just plugs for that, so I'm gonna order those and then the adapter for that. And then I'm probably also going to need to get an adapter for this here for the fuel to go into, because that banjo bolt is like not even
a little too small.
It could actually go into the whole thing. So I'll need that, and which makes me think I'm gonna actually need a kit. They didn't send me a kit. They said this is all I need, but obviously I need more than just that. I'm gonna have to get a whole new AN line for the fuel. So whatever. It doesn't matter because this car's not gonna start for a couple weeks anyways. So whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and, since it's open, I'm gonna clean it, and that'll be good. I'll let this set and we'll get it on another day. For now, let's go ahead and get the turbos off because that is high priority target number 1. So I cleaned about as good as a fat hand and a toothbrush could get. It looks a little bit better. It was nasty, and I just wanted to get the grass and all the grime and crap like that out of there, but that should be good enough. What's really sick is our UPS guys know us. They're always like, yo, do you want these packages in your garage? Is this a garage package or is this a front door package? Because you get 5.3 and my car parts. So I'm hoping that this is what I think it is, and it's the manifold. Wow, he's really getting it in there. Battery died. It's the shirts.
Thank you so much.
Y'all welcome. Y'all have a good one.
You too, dude. They too. Well, they're not. It's not my manifold, but they are the R34 shirts. Didn't I ask you to make one extra for me, right?
We both got some.
Yes! I'm so excited. They're so comfy. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Gotta aim down the sights. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Well, that's... Well, god dang it, this thing's freaking empty now. I'm trying to degrease that area I'm working in, because even if you saw me yesterday, it's pretty disgusting. Oh my god, guys. I did it. I'm really dirty. I did it. That's it. The turbos are officially off. Well, not really, they're on, but my hand is really dirty, so I don't want to touch the camera, but now I basically just have to pry the turbos off somehow. Then I'm pretty sure, so the wastegates will come with them. There's a couple oil lines I'm gonna have to take off, and then it pretty much all just comes out. Ah, it's a good day. I finally got the bolt. It was so hard. All right, I'm gonna wipe my eye because I can't, I'm dead, I'm dying. Okay. Hard time last year.
I know. I can't remember what the issue was though.
The oil drain is still connected. Well, I tried to get one bolt out of there. There's only one bolt holding it in. It's the high pressure feed to the bottom of the turbo. And it took a chunk out of my finger. Don't want to show you guys because it's pretty disgusting.
It's gross.
Probably a little bit of my fingers sitting in here somewhere. Yum, yum, yum.
Here we go, finally. It's been a long day, huh?
Yeah.
Look, these little babies are going bye-bye.
I'm in pain, I'm dirty, I'm gonna take a shower, and then we'll do the rest. Okay, sorry, I smelled like a combination of gas, chemicals, grease, oil, engine degreaser, and a lot of other bonus smells, so I just wanted to just get in and clean myself off, plus my band-aid fell off and I was bleeding everywhere. We finally have the turbos out, but here we go, dudes. Here are the stock twins. These are finally coming out. Let me actually grab the single, and let me show you how much bigger it is. So nice. Oh, and check out my shirt that I'm wearing. We finally got them in. they'll be shipping out today for you guys. It's Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they'll be shipping out today for you guys. We finally got them after forever of waiting. But check this out. Meet Big Turbo. Meet Big Turbo.
Oh my gosh. That's insane. That really is. Like this inlet part right here is almost the same size as the whole thing.
As big as the whole turbo. That's nice. So we're gonna be, hopefully, the manifold should be here by tomorrow. So hopefully we're mounting that, and then this weekend, bringing this to Kevin's Dank Meme Shop so we can go ahead and do the fabrication work. It's really smelly here.
Yeah, we need to leave
really
this
smelly.
cracked.
We're gonna definitely leave the garage cracked.
A few moments later.
We're gonna meet up with the Mustang in a little bit. The guy that walked me has had to get lit. God. So we're about to be at the meet. In case you guys don't know already, I'm not the type of guy that loves to hold a camera in front of my face at meets and be like, yo, look at me guys, I'm the one with the camera. Give me attention. So I'm gonna just chill. I don't know how big the meet's gonna be because it just started raining, so it might even dip, which is kind of a bummer because I was gonna film some Mexico action for you guys tonight. I wasn't gonna race, but I was gonna film it. But anyways, I'm gonna just check this meet out and just hopefully it stops raining. I'm not a bad little turnout for a rainy night. Let's go.
3:28 a.m.
That was a lot of fun. Despite the rain, there's a lot of people that ended up coming out, and I had a lot of fun hanging out with you guys. I'm gonna try and make it out pretty regularly at the Rockwall meet, so I hope to see you guys there. Oh, here we go. I will catch you guys on Monday. Everybody have a great weekend. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and be victorious.